What have you called your anxiety challenge? Do you call it a burden? Do you call it a baggage? Do you say your burdens are huge, they are like boulders? Or do you think they're growing like the mountain? If you feel so, how will you express your anxiety in your drawing? And here you have been, I'm drawing a small boulder, and because I have not examined the why of my problems, I have overlooked to sit down, pause, and write down to define my problem. This boulder that I drew, grew into something huge like the mountain, and you find it is just going out of hand. It is growing bigger and bigger as you see it, and you feel, why this is happening to me? And then you realize that you have not defined your boulder. You just have to color your boulder. Just color it as you feel. It could be a boulder, you could use any lines for your boulder, which you call a problem or a challenge. And since you have not taken time off to define it, you are caught in a web of these cross lines where you feel you are getting entangled day in and day out. You are getting caught in this web of knots. Now, to avoid this web of knots, you're feeling overburdened and you have not found a way out to express your anxiety. Why? You need a friend, you need an expert, and you have not taken the time out to pause, sit down, and define it. And then comes, as you watch, you feel your mountain, your worries are growing like the mountain. It could be in different colors, different shapes, defining according to how you feel is your mountain of worries. Now, as they say, sometimes trouble comes together, but here is one where I can tell you it is only when you have not defined it, taken a pause, you have to do some deep breathing, relax, and then move on. Pause and move on. As you do this exercise, recollect your anxiety as to why at times you didn't pause, you didn't take a break from your regular thing, go out, and you have not relaxed yourself. You're just going around in circles. Now, to stop that anxiety, you have to work your way through like this. You create your own design that you want for your anxiety from this boulder from which you fell off when you are rolling in the knots. Then coming on to, you can make it dots with flowers. You can do what you like, but you have to express how you feel when there may be few things which you could be grateful for, and you can express that in the form of little flowers or leaves. Little flowers and leaves are just a way of saying that yes, there are new shoots growing, there are new options available, and there are new ways of moving on. And this is one such way in which you can draw leaves Then you can add in whatever type of flour you want. You can add it in and reflect upon your blessing and count all your blessings to ease your anxiety. And yes, please take a pause, deep breathe, relax, and find time to spend for yourself. Don't go around in circle just worrying with something that is recurring in your thoughts. Try to control your thoughts by being active, engaging yourself, where you can withdraw yourself like art activities like these. Thank you.